Good Monday makers, and welcome back to another episode of MakerPie Monday. This is our weekly build showcase series where we feature your projects from the community. We love seeing these, and we've got 5 great ones to look at today. Let's jump right in. First up, we've got a video sent in by Bill for his van conversion. And a few months ago, we did an interview with the builder from the community named Timothy, and he shared details about this van slider bed. It's a really clever design using some PVC and two-hole straps, and of course EMT and maker pipe. And that inspired Bill to do this build for his van conversion. So as you can see, just like Timothy, he's got a wood frame for the main part of the bed, and he's got PVC pipes that are attached to that bed frame using two-hole straps. And then the EMT conduit and maker pipe bed extension just slides in and out of that PVC. A little bit different than Timothy's design, Bill added this adjustable angle pipe that swivels up against the pipe. So whenever he slides it in, it's kind of inconspicuous out of the way. And then as you can see, he had Velcro strap there attached to the pipe. He can lower it down and it'll support this side of the bed. He said it pulls out to a full queen size bed, which is really cool. That's a lot of space. And this is a really common thing that you see with van conversions because people want to have as much room and sleep comfortably, but then also have as much room as possible during the daytime or in other times where they're not sleeping so they can use and utilize space more inside of the van. So you can see he just swivels that pipe back and then slides it back in. Such a cool design. We love seeing these. And it's really cool to see Timothy's build originally shared with the design and then also seeing community members take it and adapt it. So thanks so much, Bill, for sharing that. We love seeing it. Next up is a build from Wade, and this is really cool. So he's got a desk, as you can see here. We see a lot of desks with pipe, and we love seeing them. One of my favorite builds to see is desks. I don't know why, but I just think desks are really cool, especially when they're custom. And this has a really unique thing that you may not notice right off the top, but it's got a simple frame with maker pipe T connectors and 90-degree connectors. Pipes are wrapped in black shrink wrap. It's got some rubber pipe feet on there to protect the floor, and the tabletop is secured with two-hole straps. All that's pretty normal. We see that a lot, but what's really unique about this desk is he had leftover flooring from their house renovation, or whenever they changed the flooring in their house. And this is just tongue and groove hardwood flooring that he connected together, and then I imagine cut to the exact size he needed for his desk space. And that's really clever. I've never seen anybody do that before, but it makes a lot of sense because you can see it's thick hardwood, tongue and groove, so it kind of clicks together. And then he added some wood with some screws to just secure it, give it another security method there. So that's really cool. And it's just a clever design and a clever use of materials. He had some leftover flooring, so why not use it? Better than sitting in the closet or in the garage floor. So definitely thanks so much, Wade, for sharing that. That's a really great desk. We love seeing it. Next up is a build from Nick, and he has a YouTube channel called Build Dad Build. He does all kinds of cool stuff. He likes using fire, and he does laser engraving and all kinds of cool stuff. So definitely check out his channel. And recently he did a video on a overhead camera rig that he made for his laser bed. So he wanted to get some top-down shots of his laser bed so he could use for time lapses and things like that. And here's his mini model that he made with the coffee stirs and MakerPipe Mini 3D printed connectors. And this is really cool. This is a clamp that he used to secure the GoPro to the rig once he had it built. So he used the simple pipe and tube cutter to make his cuts, the maker pipe there, and then this is the clamp that's made for bike handlebars, but it works perfectly on conduit. You just tighten it there, and then it has a mount for the GoPro. And here it is when it's fully built. He's got a shot down into the laser bed, and he actually cut the laser cut the maker pipe logo, which is really cool to see. And here's the finished build. It's really simple. He's got T connectors that go up, and these are 90-degree connectors, I believe, with 180s in the middle that connect the pipe from side to side. And then there's the GoPro mount with the GoPro attached. Really cool build and a great way to get overhead shots of a laser bed. We love seeing that, so I recommend checking out his video. A DIY overhead camera mount made with maker pipe, and it'll be linked down below, just like all of the builds mentioned in today's video. But he has a really great channel, so definitely check out that. And thanks so much, Nick, for sharing. Next up is a build from Mike, and he's got some really unique raised beds that are attached to the wall, this concrete wall behind his house. And he said he used some metal straps and custom made these raised beds, but they're really unique. But he said the problem was he was getting a lot of sun. So he tried making a sunshade with PVC. Didn't work as well as he had hoped. So he wanted to use empty conduit and maker pipe. He connected the conduit to the raised beds here. I guess these are boxes, garden boxes, raised beds. I guess they can go by anything. But he attached the maker pipe using one-hole straps, which is pretty common, just like we saw with the desk. And he was able to build this framework for a sunshade. I see a lot of 180-degree connectors. Maybe some T connectors. I think it's all 180s, and then it looks like adjustable angle connectors, which would be really cool. He could loosen this and then adjust the height of the sunshade based on where the sun's coming in. I'm sure that was his idea, which is really cool. and he's got a sunshade material attached. I think he's using clamps, which is a really great way to do it. I mean, you could just pop those off really quickly and take the sunshade down if you wanted to. That's really great, Mike. He said he's hoping to keep some plants alive this year. So definitely let us know how it goes, but it looks great. So thanks so much for sharing. Next up is another gardening build from Mike, another Mike, and this is a YouTube channel. It's Keep On Growing with Mike Van Doozy, and he's going to be doing a hydroponic tray table build here coming up. But he did kind of an intro video where he shows off his idea with the MakerPipe Minis and kind of explains what his thoughts are on how he's going to build it. And he's kind of going between two designs if he wants to do a ladder build or a hydroponic tray table, and he's letting his community vote. So definitely check out this video. Again, it'll be linked down below just like the rest of the builds. You can check it out, kind of see his design. He kind of goes through his thought process on designing it and how he's going to make it adjustable and reusable with the MakerPipe. So that's really cool and a great video. We can't wait to see the full size build. Definitely check out his channel and subscribe and get ready to see that full build because I think it's going to be awesome. And you can also vote to see which one you'd like to see, if the ladder or the tray table. But that's all the builds I have for you this week. I really enjoyed them. I hope you guys did too. Like I said, they're all linked down below if you want to check them out. And if you like seeing these videos and more builds, definitely consider subscribing. We appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.